Take a look at this. How about some 80s luxury here at Unique Specialty and Classics? This particular car, 1983 Buick Electra, Park Avenue, two-door. And listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on the Carfax. There's no odometer readings over 800 and some odd miles on the Carfax. The odometer reads 904 miles at the moment. And if you take a look at the undersides, we're going to look at the seats, we're going to look at the engine bay. I don't know how there's any way this car would have over 100,000 miles on it. So very easily could be original mile car. Underneath the hood, 5-liter V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at the chrome on this front bumper, and you can see the filler panels if you're familiar with this body style kind of era of car. Filler panels look good. That grille looks good. Paint on it shows well. Interior's immaculate. And again, look at the undersides and how clean it is, whether it be underneath the engine, the floor pans, back by the fuel tank. Check out those still pictures, and they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. All right, we have the spoked wheel covers, white wall radials, and by the way, these are Uniroyal radials. They do show their age some. I'm not positive that those aren't the original tires on it either. I haven't got around behind them and looked at the date code or not, but I believe that era tire very easily could have came on this car new. Take a look down this passenger side, and you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, dents. Yeah, you might find an imperfection here or there, maybe a little bit of a touch-up. It is a 1983 model year. Take a peek at this interior. So we have a split bench seat. This interior is like new. We're going to get around to the driver's side. I'm going to show you the floor mat on the driver's side. It doesn't look like there's any wear on it. We'll look at the armrests, all the things that kind of do start to show wear after some time if it has been driven. This does have power sunroof. That is in working order. Vinyl roof on it, also like new. I mean, this trim piece down here, how many times you start to see that kind of get sun-baked and discolored? It still has a shine to it. Look at any of them that have been out in the sun and sat. You'll see what I'm saying. Chrome in the rear bumper, also very nice shape, and you can see filler panels once again. Couple notes from the technician that looked at this one. Brakes are 100% in the front, 90% in the rear. No shakes or vibrations going down the road. Drives out incredible, he said. The only thing he mentioned were those tires being aged. And then, of course, it does have the complete exhaust. Look at the condition of the exhaust. Stereo was in op. That was the other note that he had. Otherwise, power windows, power locks, all working, wipers, good shape. And once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. How many of you forgot out there that they made a Park Avenue a two-door? And I tell you what, if you like these 80s luxury vehicles, maybe you like Buicks, maybe just like cars in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And you can see driver's side, not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches, dents over here either. All right, I want to show you this interior. So first of all, door panels. There's no discoloration down below, fading, anything like that in those door panels and the carpeting. You can see where the armrest would be. There's just no wear. You start to get oils from skin, starting to darken, that type of stuff. Even in the faux wood, Beautiful shape. It's not delaminating, anything like that. And then check out these seats. Now, I want to step back here a second because I want to show you. If I get back here, there's the true color of that seat. If I get right on top of it with the camera, it's going to want to wash it out. But what I'm getting at is, look at the lack of really any wear on the edge of those seats. And how about a floor mat that looks like it's brand new? Of course, tilt column, cruise control, top of the dash, perfect shape. Armrests, great shape. Now, again, it's going to wash it out when I get right up on top of it. That is not the true color of that interior. That's getting washed out by the camera. There's your true color. It's a beautiful interior. There's your sunroof. Headliner also in great shape back there. Rear seats, check them out in the still pictures. Also amazing. That's what that odometer reads, 904. I find that hard to believe this is 100,000 904. You start looking at the underside and look at close at the pictures. Of course, we do have the electronic climate control. AC's blowing cold. Beautiful dash. Fuel gauge working. Door closes perfectly. Let's take a listen. Sounds as you'd expect. Let's take a look at this engine bay. I'm assuming you're going to know what a 100,000 plus mile engine bay looks like compared to one with very low miles. Hood strut's working great. Look at the hood liner. And there it is. AC is still R12, has not been converted. Looks like original compressor. Another thing I did notice going around this, where this body guard, the rust inhibiting, has been installed. You notice one of these little plugs right down there. So you had the rust inhibiting spray inside those, and you can look those lower door sills. Have another one here. And then as far as around that wheel well, any of those lower rockers. Very clean. This would make a nice highway cruiser, no doubt about that. Go down the road beautifully. 1983 Buick Electra, Park Avenue. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And yes, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1983 Buick. This is a two-door with a lovely wood grain throughout. A touch screen or touch button climate control system that appears to function well. Our speedometer's working. This is an automatic on the column. Power multi-position adjustable seats. at least the driver's seat. This is a split bench style seat with pillow top. I have a glass moonroof over my head. Something you don't see as often on this era of vehicle is that glass roof. So nicely equipped. I put ornament out in the front, of course. Looking good. The dash in good shape. The steering wheel also in good shape. Brakes nice and smooth. Luxurious ride from Buick. Most of the time when I see this car or this body style car, it's a 4-door. Now this being a 2-door, a little more desirable, a little less common. Corners easily, very nice power steering. Luxurious in the corners. Quiet running, great road tripping car in my opinion. A 1983 from Buick. Check out all the pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.